Hello students, you are welcome to Prep Class. With you is Mr. Chima. I'm your Prep Class tutor on chemistry. So today we are going to be looking at past questions on chemistry, JAMB exam to be precise. I are going to be looking at past questions for the year 2020. Alright, so students, a quick one. Do not forget to always subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos. When you look below the video, you are going to see a space for comments. So try as much as possible to drop your comments on our comment section box so that Prep Class will know how helpful our videos have been to you. So today, quickly students, we are going to be looking at questions 36 to 40. And that will be the end of this 2020 section on chemistry JAMB, solving of the past questions. I don't know if you've seen our previous videos. We've done solved questions on 1 to 35. So if you've not seen these videos, I bet you are really missing, because Mr. Chima is here solving lots of questions, destroying calculations that some students find dreadful right here on Prepclass YouTube channel. So if you've not seen those videos, man, you are missing. You are missing. I'll bet you to go back and try as much as possible to peruse through our videos so that you watch those videos, because they'll be very helpful to you, especially if you are preparing for JAMB and you are going to be taking chemistry. So today, let's look at questions 36 to 40. Question number 36. Volcanization deals with the removal of. You must have seen all these guys that we call vulcanizers on the road. What they actually do is to pump and patch tires. I don't even know why they call them vulcanizers. Maybe because they deal with rubber products. You know, tires and tubes of tires are made of rubber. But the point is that vulcanization simply means the addition of sulfur to rubber in order to make the rubber stronger, tougher, more elastic and durable. That is what vulcanization is. The process by which rubber is treated with sulfur to make it stronger, durable, and more elastic. Because you know, in a molecule of rubber, there will be various, or should I say in a quantity of rubber, there will be various molecules of rubber. So the sulfur enters into the solution, form cross linkages by binding these molecules together in the process of removing the double bond that is present in this molecule. So because of that, the best answer is the double bond. So sulfur actually removes this double bond that is present in this molecule, thereby strengthening the molecule and making it stronger. That's the product, stronger, durable, and more elastic. So your best answer is what? Removing the double bond. Question number 37. The solubility curve illustrates the variation of solute concentration with. The solubility curve illustrates the variation of solute concentration with A, is it temperature? Is it volume? Is it pressure? Is it vapor density? Now, one thing you must know that every solubility curve is plotted in a way such that solubility in mostly gram per water, or maybe gram moles per dm cube, is plotted against temperature. The solubility of a substance is highly dependent on what temperature. The higher the temperature in most cases, the more the solubility. So the answer is temperature, because solubility is relative to what? Temperature. That's why most questions on solubility say that the solubility of a substance at this particular temperature, they must give you the temperature at which that substance is soluble. So the answer is temperature. Temperature is the best answer. Question number 38. Ammonia gas reacts with which of the following to form a dense white fumes? Those days when we are in school, we are fond of opening the cap, that's the cork or the cover of a bottle of ammonia. Then we open the container of a bottle of HCl or hydrochloric acid. Then we place that cover of concentrated ammonia over the mouth of the bottle of hydrochloric acid. You see white smoke coming out. Those white smoke are known as dense white fumes. Do you understand? So in each of these gases, the one that will produce dense white fumes of ammonium chloride is HCl. So I said here, ammonia gas reacts with hydrogen chloride gas to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. So NH3 plus HCl will give you NH4Cl. So the best answer here is HCl. So it's HCl that reacts with ammonia to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Question number 39. The alloy that contains iron from the following is, they say brass, bronze, duralamine steel, soft soda duralamine steel, and permalloy. So here they are asking us which of this one that both of them must contain iron. I'll have to open it here, like you see here. I said brass contains copper and zinc, bronze contains copper and tin, duralamine contains aluminium, copper, magnesium, and manganese. Duralamine contains aluminium, copper, magnesium, and manganese. Steel contains iron and carbon. Soft soda contains tin and lead. Permalloy contains nickel and iron. And permalloy contains nickel and iron. And I say the one that contains iron is steel and permalloy. The one that contains iron is steel. So if you look here, you will see that the one that contains iron is steel, iron and carbon, permalloy, nickel and iron. So the one that contains iron is steel and permalloy. Steel that has iron and permalloy that has iron. So our best choice is steel and permalloy. So D, steel and permalloy. So steel and permalloy is the ones that contains what? Iron. Question number 40. Which of these is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? Question number 40. Which of these is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? Is it butanol? Is it pentane? Is it benzene? Is it propene? Now let us look at their structures and also what an unsaturated hydrocarbon is. I said here, unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons that have double or triple covalent bonds in them. Example is alkenes that have double bonds and alkynes that have triple bonds. So butanol, you didn't see any double bond here, so it's not an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is saturated. Pentane, you can't see any double bond here, so it is saturated and not unsaturated. Benzene, you can see double bond here. I think it's unsaturated. Propene is also, you can see double bond here. It's also unsaturated. So our answer is between benzene and propene, because benzene is an unsaturated. But the point here is that benzene is an aromatic compound, so it is a special kind of unsaturated hydrocarbon. So in most cases, when they refer to unsaturated hydrocarbon, and you are mostly seeing the families of the alkanes. When they talk of unsaturated hydrocarbon, I mostly see the family of the alkyls, butanol, pentane. I think here, since benzene is a special form of unsaturated hydrocarbon, let us go for propene. The best choice here will be propene. Although benzene too is an unsaturated, these people they like confusing somebody. The benzene too is an unsaturated hydrocarbon, but it's a special kind. But if we are comparing aliphatic compounds, the one that is not cyclo, because if you look here now, all these ones are aliphatic. You can see straight chain, none of them is cyclo. But benzene is cyclo. So out of all of them that are straight chains, the one that is an unsaturated hydrocarbon is actually propene. So your best answer will be propene. Propene will be your best choice. Okay, students, we have come to the end of today's section with learning with Prepclass, where we solved past questions on chemistry, JAMB to be precise, for the year 2020. We looked at questions 36 to 40. So a quick reminder, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our YouTube channel, share our videos, because there are many students who may also find this opportunity very, very interesting. All right, so we have come to the end of today's section. So we rounded off with solving questions 36 to 40. So in a nutshell, we've completely solved questions 1 to 40 for the year 2020 on JAMB. If you've not seen our previous videos on questions 1 to 35, I'll urge you to do so, because you are really missing out if you've not been following us. And also, if you are a WAEC student, we also have a WAEC channel. Dear Mr. Chima, that is my humble self, I've solved past questions on WAEC for the year 2020 from questions 1 to 50. So I'll urge you to also visit our WAEC channel and enjoy our video. So till we meet again, I still remain Mr. Chima. It's nice being with you here on Prepclass. Bye, and do stay safe.